Hi, I'm Gracie Poe.
And I'm Peyton Dannett, and this is Publication Design. Our objective was to create the name for a new and upcoming band, as well as create publication items including a band logo, event banners, posters, a venue setup and layout, as well as a news release, and we were able to use our knowledge and skill of Photoshop and InDesign to implement an exceptional understanding of publication design.
When choosing our band name, we did a lot of research on different genres. After our research, we found that although rock is no longer the #1 genre, it remained in the top spot for the longest period of time. So with that being said, our band name is 4 Granite. 4 representing the numbers of members in our band, and granite representing a type of rock.
When choosing our color palette, we wanted to keep color values in mind. So with that being said, we chose to use both a lighter and darker shade of each of our colors to create a spatial illusion that truly makes our colors and images pop. Our colors are also harmonious, which means that they lie next to each other in the color wheel, as you can see with this image here. And as for our fonts, our main font being Arm Warmer falls underneath a font family resonating with other rock band logos. We found through research that numerous other rock bands use a pointed and edge font within their main logo. And for our other fonts, Thundergood was found underneath defont.com's trending fonts at the moment. And Historical is chosen because of how easy it is to read, as you can see in our news release and posters. When it came to actually putting faces to our band members, we found that we were very, very particular in the way that we wanted them to appear. So rather than trying to find the perfect face, we chose to build our characters from scratch, all within Photoshop. We were able to find stock images on Shutterstock and create characteristics such as facial hair and accessories through numerous layers on Photoshop again. And by doing so, we were able to customize our band members to the way we felt best fit our band's overall theme.
Continuing with our logo design process, after research we found that simple shapes such as squares or circles are easier for the eye to digest than complex shapes. So with that, we decided to go with a block theme. By adding our characters to our blocks in a lighter color value, it created contrast. And by including our tour name to the center of our design, it created a focal point.
And to finally pull together the blocks and our text, we chose to place a black rectangle behind the white text to again create a spatial illusion. And to pull together the rectangle, the text, and the blocks, we placed it above the blocks to pull each aspect of our design together and create a flow.
Now continuing on to our final products. For our event posters, we went with a black and white design that included all the information that you would need to attend a 4 Granite concert, and also included the logo and the band name. By doing this, we were able to later replace the background with specific images for each location. As you can see here with Hollywood Bowl, Gorge Amphitheater, and Red Rock Amphitheater, all the illustrations behind are of the place.
When designing our event banners, we wanted to create something that could be versatile within our event venues. So with that being said, we broke apart from the block concept and gave each band member their very own banner. And by doing this, we could either pull together the banners or separate them, all depending on the venue's layout. Our banners also include the instrument that each band member performs with, as well as the 4 Granite logo to promote branding.
With our 118-layer event venue setup and layout, we included aspects such as restrooms, merchandise, food, drink, VIP parking, and general admission. We made sure with our event layout that no matter which entrance that you would pass through merch, food, drink on the way to your seating. With our event venue layout and setup, we also created a stage design. We made sure that no matter where someone was looking at the concert, that they would see an aspect of 4 Granite, such as their banners, tour names, and their name.
And finally, for our news release, we chose to create a magazine article as well as feature the band on the front cover. With the front cover, we were again able to recognize the band members and the instruments that they perform with in a simple layout. And then when one would look inside the magazine article, they would learn the full story of how 4 Granite met, as well as tour dates. And through InDesign, we were able to add images in the center and have the text box outline that image. And by doing so, we created a real-life representation of what a magazine article featuring 4 Granite would look like.
Thank you.